died yet. I don't know.
The final artifact.
No, you're
is
not.
maybe.
No, you're not. You are absolutely not going to.
No, I'm not gonna
No,
let you.
we are clutching up.
After this game.
Are you? Oh my gosh. Are you even gonna
Are you
play
getting
though?
on to play with us, or are you just getting on your account to take it away
Yeah,
from
because
us?
I don't know if I'll let you get on if you're just gonna
Yeah.
get on to.
We're
go play,
banning you.
run
You're
off and
banned
play.
from your own account.
Yeah. We're literally gonna take it.
We're
over.
taking all of your skins and transferring them over to
I'm
our
taking your
bot,
50 V-Bucks.
to old titled star. What? No, they canceled Rocket League. There's no Rocket League tonight. They canceled it.
They shut it down.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. Sorry, we're just not even gonna let you on your account.
Yeah, the manager.
Oh my gosh, I had 1 second
The
left.
manager called off. There's no Rocket League.
Andy, we're gonna die. We're gonna lose. How are we supposed to do our quest?
We are not gonna lose.
There's 10 of us left. I'm dead. I'm perma-dead.
Oh, battle right.
Nah, perma dead.
Come on, I'll touch up his title.
Oh, 1 minute. Oh. What do I need to do? I'm here.
We gotta claim.
Oh, ow. I'm dead.
Doom's
Big
fallen. I didn't even know we had a Doom.
Giant dead. Perma
Oh,
dead.
okay. There goes
I
Tilted.
got killed by a tomato.
So, yeah. Title just got killed by a tomato.
The same tomato.
Oh, Indy avenged us. Indy avenged us.
Thank you, Indy.
Okay, so it's a 4v infinite. Good luck.
You could do it.
Got this. They only have infinite respawns and better loot.
Oh my god.
Oh, you're doomed.
Here, do you want to play?
Sure.
So the mic may be messed up a little bit. I mean, they're gonna probably shred you. Okay, give me. Or I mean, we can load in, but I need a minute. I'll just go. I mean, is this what we're gonna do? I don't care. What?
I would say we either do that and try to get a win for Cupcake.
Yes.
Sorry. What I was saying was, we should either try to get a win for Cupcake as henchmen, or we should jump into BR because Cupcake's also got BR quests. So it's really up to you, Devon. Because we need to do either mode. So it's really up to you, whatever you want to do.
Yeah, but I don't really care.
Well, what quest do you have?
Oh yeah, or we can go and do story. Did you say that? I'm sorry.
Oh, Anxiety, you want to play?
She said she'll play Reg BR until shop
Oh,
resets,
okay.
so she'll
Here,
play
I'll send
one
you a
game.
number. Indy, you just want to kick title then, and we can.
I guess that's rude.
They'll just send invite. Anxiety, I think you're away or something. They won't let me send you an invite. Like, what the frick?
Did they auto-complete weekly quests at all?
The only ones I've seen them do was the Nana Village and there was another one. I don't remember what it was now.
maybe I did mine last week. Okay.
Cupcake probably has a bunch.
I've got
Probably.
part 3, Sherry's invention.
Ah,
I just started it, so I need to complete 2 shadow briefings.
I mean, she is so behind. Yeah. Oh yeah, she has to complete one. She hasn't even done one.
And then I've got that Found Quest Stark Fan Club. I only need to get one more memorabilia thing.
okay. And I think we get those from opening Stark chests. Or maybe from any
Yeah, I
chest,
gotta
but I
go
think you
get
have
my
a better.
hint first.
Say it again.
Gotta go get my hint. Hint.
Hint,
Gives
hint
me a
from
hint.
what?
Hint. From the Iron Man
Oh,
cave.
yeah, yeah. Does it
basement
give you a
room
hint for everything?
Hidden. Yeah.
So maybe you have to open a specific, like, chest.
Mhm.
Oh, there we go. Now let me invite Anxiety. Oh my gosh, it says failed to send party invite. Anxiety, are you purposefully, like, rejecting my request? I feel rejected. Oh, there we go. Now will it let
My
me invite?
party invite sent just fine. Look at you
Mine-
being doom.
Mine says failed to send party invite again.
Did you break something when you was in her account? Their account?
Yeah. Anxiety, I broke your account. You can no longer be invited to parties. What? Okay, so we're lying. How does that even happen? Fine, I'll just sit down. Okay. Okay, so the ones
Solid
is
20. Without even trying. That's all thanks to you guys.
oh my god. Leia still has more than me. So anxiety is in our walls. I don't know how to feel about them.
Do what?
Anxiety said she was gonna be in our walls. Oh well, my walls specifically, I guess, since she responded to me.
What? Where'd she say that?
It's in Discord. I was telling Joe I was gonna be in his, but then anxiety. But that said I was gonna be in anxiety's walls, and she said no, she was gonna be in my walls. So I think we're all just living in the same house. Is the world just one big house, but all the rooms have giant hallways in between them?
What are we
What?
talking about?
I don't know. Where are we going? Raft?
I
Sure.
don't know. What? I don't even know what we're talking
The
about.
raft?
Why not?
Well, I thought we were doing quest. Are we doing quests or are we playing to win? What are we doing?
We have to. The quest is to. Which quest do you have? Now we're going blue. Okay, we can go.
No,
blue.
we don't need to go blue. We can go wherever.
Yeah, I thought you
I
had
don't
this
care.
whole
Blue is just
conversation
where-
Yeah.
Ye-
She
yeah.
wanted to go and check on
Okay, then let's go blue.
How did we get so sidetracked?
I don't know.
We started talking about living in each other's walls.
Yeah.
It's a nice idea. Get us all on the same time zone.
Yeah.
What? What does that have anything? You're the. Oh wait, no. Wait. No, you and anxiety are on the same, right? Or is she an hour behind you?
No. She's whatever behind me. I'm an hour behind you, and she's an hour behind me, right?
At least,
She's 2 hours behind you
I think so.
Hmm.
I always forget that.
at the minimum.
So we're all just ahead
Zadie,
of
what time
anxiety.
is it for you?
That's what I'm getting at. Anxiety's the odd one out.
Because for me, it's about to be 7.
Let's go.
For me, it's about to be dinner. Like food in my mouth.
Food.
About to be 6.
That's
Yes, it's
crazy.
right.
Yeah.
Do you
I
want me
can't
to-
even imagine how late do you get your news? Like, like you're like COVID-19 just happened. What
Yeah,
the
do
frick?
you want me to tell you what the future's like?
That was like 3 hours ago.
You want me to tell you what your weather's gonna be? I mean, you're
Whoa,
literally
this guy's
2
an
hours
auto
behind
turret.
us.
Real guy, real guy, real guy.
Yeah, I know.
Got one flip flap.
I killed him.
Holy
He dead. I stole his other kid.
shit.
He was a flame burger. What? Someone took my doom chest. That's the one I always land on too. I feel robbed. Everything I ever knew and loved. My poor doom chest. I guess I'll go Fizz Envy. Sitting in a bush in a building.
Do what?
I said I'm coming over here to heal you because you're.
I'm ordering your food for dinner. If I don't do this,
Okay.
then you're going to be complaining that you don't have anything to eat. That's what I'm doing. I'm ordering your food.
Jibber, if you're up, you can be up, baby. You don't have to keep laying down.
Let the sleepness calm you over, Gibber.
There's a car somewhere. There it is. Oh, it's coming for the didgeridoo. Knocked one. Finished. You got guys anxiety? I don't got no minion. Oh, they're fighting Doctor, whatever this is.
Mysterio.
Yeah. So they're in this building. Oh, they just killed him. No, wait, no, they didn't. Whoa, hi. Oh, they're camping right here.
I got
Gotcha. I knocked one left. Killed him. There's the last. Shroom Grower, what a wonderful name, bro.